Here are 9 things that will make your life in the kitchen so much easier. Number 1 is an in-drawer kitchen knife block. This totally changed my life. It's my favorite of all of these tips. Next is setting a limit for your plastic grocery bags. Giving them a container will keep them from getting out of control. I also adore this can organizer. It makes it so much easier to get what I want. Storing awkward boxes on a rack makes it so they don't fall out and fall on top of you. You'll have no more falling water bottles. Look at this extra shelf. It makes life so much easier. I love vertical storage. It just keeps everything easy to put away and easy to reach. You can even do vertical storage for your glass pans. And last but not least, you can have the same kind of thing for your pots and pans with this horizontal frying pan organizer.